How to change the cell color of a table in Microsoft Word. At the beginning, we first have to select the cells that we want to change. In this example, I will select all the cells of the table. So we move the mouse over the table and this fourfold arrow will appear in the top left corner. Now we click on this arrow and the whole table will be selected. Then we go to the Table Tools and there to the Design tab, and here under Shading we can click on the drop down arrow and there we can select one of these colors here. When we click on the drop down arrow once again and then go to More Colors, and there in the Custom tab we could also enter our custom RGB color code. So that's the first way of changing the color for a table in Microsoft Word. The second way is to use these table styles, and when you click on this arrow in the bottom right corner you will have access to even more table styles. So let's select one of these styles here. And the advantage of these styles is that you can then use the table style options like the banded rows, the first column and the header row. And one advantage of the banded rows, for example, is that you can easily distinguish between all the odd and even rows in your table. So these table styles are very useful. And that's it. Now you know 2 ways of how to change the color of your table cells in Microsoft Word. If you liked the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help me grow the channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.